Now, understand, within the duration of all those credit profiles that I've explained to you guys, the difference between an 800 credit score and a 500 credit score is the difference between those two is getting approved and not getting approved. When you got the middle number range credit scores, like we're saying like a 670, between like a 5, let's say a 580 to about a let's say 700 credit score, a lot of times you will get approved for loans with collateral, which is like a car or a house that you have with it. But one of the things you have to understand is if you have an 800 FICO score versus you only have a 700 FICO score, the interest rate a lot of times could be a lot of different depending on what it is that they're approving you for. Because there are a lot of times, you can go through a credit union and they're only willing to give you a low interest rate of like a 3% on a car loan. And then the car dealership may be giving a 0% interest rate, right? And you could have the best interest, you could have the best FICO score or credit score, and still, because of the financial institution that's giving the loans, it depends on what their best interest rate that they're giving on the cars. But the reality is, the better your FICO score is, the less money you're going to pay across the board with regards to getting loans, credit card, revolving debt, and installment debts. I always let everyone know that because of the mere fact, the better your credit score is, the more money you're going to save, the better interest rates you're going to get on stuff, and the easier your life is going to be, the better zip code you're going to possibly live in, and so on and so forth. That's why the credit score does matter. Credit score does matter.